Uh-oh. So me and Porter are outside. And Porter was growling. Oh, God. Porter was growling at something. And I walked out and I started hearing a stomp. So I'm a little worried. A little worried there may be a skunk out here. Skunk, don't spray me. No need to stomp, skunk. I don't want to get sprayed tonight. Oh, there's something over there. Oh, I'm jumpy. Oh, he's on the deck. Okay. Okay, he's moving away. Oh, I wish we had Polly Dog right now. Oh, I don't think the camera can see it. Alright, Skunk, we're cool. We're cool, man. Porter, come on, Porter. Let's go in the house, buddy. Let's go in the house. I'm actually pretty glad Polly Dog's not here. It's a good thing my protector dog let me know. With some good growling. Hi, Skunk. How you doing, buddy? Hi. I know. Oh, you're scared. I know. I'm sorry. I'm scaring you. I'll leave you alone. Oh, he's backing up. Oh, yeah. Alright, we're leaving you alone. I'm sorry. I'm probably freaking you out.